Okay, we just abandoned ship. We decided not to go on that boat because they continue to load it, and we feel it's too overloaded. I feel it might bust apart because they have so much weight on it. So they're upset because they want us to get back in, but I don't know. It's so loaded. I'm a little skeptical to go on it. I think we're just going to take the next one. Really loaded. You'll see when it gets moving how the front is, the bow is just so deep in the water. I mean, it's a pretty calm day, but boy, if it got rough out there, if the wind picked up, that thing could bust apart, I think. You can see now that it's definitely overloaded with weight. A lot of water. A lot of plastic jugs of water. So we're going to have to wait for when the next one pulls out. Hopefully that won't be too long from now. Better safe than sorry.